Hey guys, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got transformed from this to this. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So as always, I'll start my makeup by prepping my skin. So for that, first of all, I am taking this plum toner and patting it all over my face and neck. And as soon as it's all absorbed, I am taking the second toner from Good Vibes. It's a glow toner and I'm spraying it all over my face and again patting it until it's fully absorbed to my skin. Next, I'm applying this rose hip brightening serum to get that inner glow, and then I will move on to moisturizer. After moisturization, I am protecting my skin from the sun, and for that I am applying sunscreen all over my face and neck area. And here I will end my skin prep by applying this lip balm to moisturize my lips. And now let's move on to makeup. So first of all, I am applying a highlighting primer all over my face to get glowy base. Next, moving on to eyebrows. So here first I will comb through the brows and then I'll take a lighter shade eyebrow pencil and I will fill the front part of my eyebrows. And next I take a dark gray pencil and fill the tail of my brows. And then towards the end I set the eyebrow hair with the help of eyebrow gel. And at the end, I will clean and shape the brows using a concealer. Eyebrows are done. Now let's move on to eye makeup. So today I'm applying a concealer as an eye base and using Eyes Can Kill palette from Mars Cosmetics and applying this light shade to set the concealer. Then I'm using this brown shade above my crease area and I'm blending this shade with a fluffy blending brush. Then I'm mixing these two orange and brown shades and depositing the color on my crease area and I'm blending it in V motion. Then I'm mixing this dark brown and dark gray shade from the same palette and intensifying the outer corner more. Then I'm blending everything together with the same fluffy brush to avoid any harsh line. After that, I'm almost cutting the crease using a concealer and then I'm applying this shade to cover that concealer and I'm perfecting the shape with a flat brush, then blending both the shades together. Then I'm taking this neon green shimmer shade and applying it over that previous neon matte shade. Again, perfecting the shape with a flat brush. Again, blending both the shades together. Leave it as it is for now and let's move on to the base. Now let's clean all the fallouts using a wipe and then move on to base makeup. To begin, first of all, I am applying orange corrector under my eyes and around my mouth area to neutralize the darkness over there. Then I'll take a dry beauty sponge and press the product in. This step also helps in taking out extra product which we don't need because we don't want our base to look orange. Next, I'm taking foundation and I'm applying and spreading it all over my face and neck area with the help of my fingers. And then I'll take a beauty sponge and by using the dabbing motion, I will apply the foundation all over my face. Next, I'll take concealer and I will apply it around my eye area and little bit around my nose wherever it needs a bit more coverage, and on high points of my face just to brighten those area up. And then I'll take a small brush and I will blend it all. And as soon as I am done with the liquid products, I like to set my base to avoid any kind of creasing. And here you can see that I like to set my under eyes with a smaller brush to precisely set everything. But for my face, I like to use a bigger powder brush and lightly pat the powder all over to pack everything in. Now to complete rest of the eye makeup, I am mixing these two shades again and applying it on my lower lash line. Then applying this shade to the inner half of my lower lash line. Then finally I am applying these golden shimmers to my inner corner to add that oomph to the look. Now to finish off the eye makeup, I am lining my eyes using a gel liner. Here I am applying wing liner. Then I'll apply a kajal pencil to my lower waterline, and then I will use a small brush and I'll smoke out my lower lash line using this brush. And finally I have applied false eyelashes, and now I am applying mascara to blend my real lashes with the false eyelashes. Eye makeup is done. Now let's move on to the base. So first I am adding little bit of coral blush on my cheeks, little bit on my nose and chin area to feel alive again. And then I'm moving on to contour, and first I'm shaping my nose a little bit. I'm just shading over here, no major contouring. And after that I'm moving on to my cheekbones and my jawline. Basically I'm just bringing back the natural depth on my face. Now I will carefully line my lips and then I will move on to the lipstick. Here I am using a beautiful neon pink lipstick because this look is all about neons. And finally, let's lock everything in using a makeup fixer. And I always like to use highlighter after using makeup fixer to amplify the effect. And this is the final look. I hope you like watching it today. Leave your thoughts in the comment box and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.